What's up, YouTube? So this video is going to be about how to do this from start to finish, right? Start to finish. I'll show you guys how to do certified mail. So I'm about to do it from scratch. I have a blank envelope, however you want to call it. I have one of these and I have one of these, right? So let's just put this down here. So on here you want to write who it's addressed to. Let's write Santa Claus. We send this to Santa Claus, right? Say he live at 123 Main Street in Austin, Texas. I don't know his zip code, but then let's say, okay, so just like that. Boom. It says address to, we write in Santa Claus, 123 Main Street in Austin, Texas. Then back here, it says the sender. You put your information. So I'm sending it from, my name is cheffkee TV. Sending it from 124 West Avenue, 124 West Ave, from Dallas, Texas. I do live in Texas, y'all, but I don't live in Dallas or Austin. So just guess where. Boom. So cheffkee TV, 124 West Ave, Dallas, Texas, and it's going to Santa Claus on 123 Main Street in Austin, Texas, right? So boom, let's do the same thing on the envelope. Y'all know how to do envelope. 123 Austin, Texas. 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas. And then Main Street. Boom. So y'all see that? It's like a regular envelope, and you would usually stick your paper in here that you go mail off, and you would put a stamp right here. Boom. So you got your envelope, right? You'll want to take one of these stickers. They peel off just like that, and you want to put it at the corner right. It's probably inverted, so the corner right there. Boom. I know it's lopsided. Whatever. Then you want to take this right here. This I keep for my records. This is my receipt. And then be careful, don't throw this out. It has a little piece. I'm gonna show you what to do with that. So this goes right next to that. Fold it over at the top. Boom. Certified mail going to 123 Main Street. So you put your letter inside. You seal your letter. Letter inside, letter sealed. Then you're gonna take this. It's already addressed and it has your return address. You take the stickers off the back. Boom, stickers off the back, and you're just gonna stick it onto here, and that's done. Just like that. Done. Now you can just slide this into the oh, I almost forgot to show y'all. Not done. So this piece that I told y'all not to forget, I almost forgot it. So you gotta take this little itty bitty piece right here. This is the same number as this right here. So this is your receipt and it's attached to this. You're gonna put it on article number right there, number 2. Just like that. Boom. So now you have the number right here that they scan it. And then you have the number back here that's attached to your receipt. And then you have the number on your receipt. Boom, so it matches. This is the number that you can look up and see where your mail is. You can actually see also if it's been accepted or if when they process it or what. And then usually with this, I like to write where this is going. So because I'm sending out a lot of mail, for real estate, not necessarily for consumer law, But since I'm sending out a lot of mail for real estate, I'm gonna keep track of where each mail is going. So this is going to Santa Claus on 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas. And this is just however you want to do it, guys. This is for your record. So I know it's going to Santa Claus, 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas. It has this number right here. That's for tracking. So I know where it's at all times. And I'm going to just store this so I'll have it just in case they say they didn't get it or whatever. So boom. And that's done.